cogitating at the moment, actually.
Cogitating?
Slightly different, but...
We've done a load of videos for Andy Seuss at Bedford CNC. He loves his milling, his turning, but what you might spot is we're not actually in his machine shop today, because today we're finding out about proper milling. So Andy, why are we here?
We're here today because Don from Flitwick Mill wanted to couple up the flywheel to the gearbox. So we've made a disc and a shaft, which is welded, been bolted onto the flywheel to enable them to produce electricity. And on the other far end is a cap, because the shaft was so badly worn. We've machined a cap so it fits on a bearing, so that the wheel will turn really nice and easy.
So the shaft itself, for example, got a keyway on it and it's drilled and tapped?
Yeah, it's drilled and tapped in the end, and it's got a keyway on it, and the shaft is 6 inches diameter by 600mm long, and the disc is 650mm diameter, so a small component.
So nice easy parts, but I mean, this mill itself dates back to Doomsday Book, 1089. I think it was in its sort of, as it looks-ish, about 1600, 1700. So you're working on the original sort of milling parts here?
Yeah, we are, and it's a great challenge for us, because Don's come up with just a drawing, and we've worked together and come up with the idea, and we're here today.
Brilliant, Andy. So what I'd say is, if you want your normal engineered parts milled and turned, you're the man to go to. But if you want a challenge,
come to Bedford CNC.
Brilliant. Now what I'm going to do is put him to the challenge and make sure this actually works. So get out of the way, please. Here we go. Running like an absolute dream. I might go and get some flour now.